Friends, since the last few weeks, the whole world has been buzzing with the name of Iran. The country which was considered backward and poor by the Arabs, Asians and Western countries. That one country has made it illegal for 24 developed countries to live. After attacking Iran, Israel and America have realized that they have put their hands on the honeybees. On top of that, the world's safest countries, Dubai, Qatar and Bahrain have been hit like a sparrow. Well, everyone has come to know that Iran is their father. But the question arises that the country on which the whole world has imposed restrictions and has to pay a lot of money to buy a samosa in its currency, how did it become so powerful? This country is neither developed nor a superpower, but despite this, how are these people so brave? After all, what do they have that even big powers like America are afraid of colliding with them? Well, there are many reasons behind it, but if we talk about its first and biggest reason, then it is the land of Iran, on which Islam and Muslims have written such a story which has taught Muslims to stand up for their rights even after killing them. And the name of this land is Karbala. Not only Muslims, but even disbelievers know about Karbala well. When Yazid forced Hazrat Imam Hussein, may Allah be pleased with him, to take his oath of allegiance, he did not bow down in front of him out of the power of Yazid and fear of oppression, but instead sacrificed his entire family and even innocent children fighting oppression. Today, if Islam is established in the world, it is only because of that great sacrifice. Otherwise, if Imam Hussein, may Allah be pleased with him, had bowed down in front of Yazid, then the Islam of the people of the Oath of Allegiance would not have been on the map of the world. The leaders of Iran and their people have always kept this passion safe. And this is the reason why Iran still stands up against oppression. Without the Oath of Allegiance, it runs like blood in the body of the people of Iran. Another example of Iran's bravery and courage was their leader, whose name was Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. If you watch his videos, you will see that he had so much bravery and courage in his eyes that anyone would be shocked to see him. He was the only leader in the world, and Iran was the only country in the world that raised its voice against America and Israel for Palestine. He not only helped the Muslims of Palestine, but also clashed with those who were oppressing them. Where all the Muslims of the world were licking the feet of Israel and America. There, Ayatollah Khamenei was the only person who not only refused to accept Israel, but also challenged them by putting his eyes in their eyes. And he also taught his people that to die, but never bow down. In fact, this courage and bravery of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has been given to him by his forefathers. His lineage is considered very reliable, because his family is coming from the struggle of our beloved Prophet. Ayatollah Khamenei and his family are the 38th generation of Hazrat Pak. And his lineage is from Hazrat Ali ibn Talib and Bibi Fatima's son, Imam Hussein. Ayatollah Khamenei actually belongs to the lineage of Imam Zain al-Abidin. You can all guess from this that he has Hussein blood in him and he cannot bow down to anyone. Ayatollah Khamenei believed that when he was not afraid of the evil in Karbala, then how can there be fear in his blood? His living example is in front of us. He accepted death, but neither hid nor fled from his country. He was not only a political leader, but also a spiritual leader. He had kept the foundation of his nation so brave and strong that he was always taught that instead of relying on external powers, you have to stand on your own feet. Well, the leadership of Iran's supreme leader is an example of this country's bravery. But there are many other facts that represent Iran's bravery. This matter did not start from today. Even in the 1980s, when the whole world united to wage war on Iran, they did not give up. For 8 years, the world had stopped giving them resources. But despite this, Iran did not give up and stood up to the enemies. This war taught the Iranians that they should not trust any country in the world and should fight their own war. We all know that Iran does not believe in Israel and America. And because of this, these two countries have imposed restrictions on Iran for years. But despite this, Iran has put its defense military on the world's top list. Today, Iran is counted among the 5 largest countries in the world in drone technology. Not only this, but Iran's missile program is the largest program in the Middle East. Its foundation was laid in 1980 during the war with Iraq. Today, Iran has such missiles that can go up to a range of 2,000 kilometers. Shahab-3, whose range is more than 2,000 kilometers, can reach not only the entire Middle East but also Israel. Iran's intermediate long-range missile, Karam, has a range of more than this. But Iran's most powerful missile is the hypersonic missile, which is called Fateh. Its speed is 15 times faster than the speed of sound. And it also has the ability to defeat the American Peter. Yet in the Israeli Iron Dome. Not only that, but Iran also has another very big and powerful thing, its military cities. They are hundreds of feet deep in the mountains. These are such strong military bases where thousands of missiles are always ready for launch. These bases are made so deep that no external bombardment affects them. That's why America and Israel can't do anything to them. Iran has not only advanced in missiles, but also in making drones. Their 136-degree drone, which is also called a suicide drone, is not only low budget but also super destructive. Iran uses these drones with missiles so that the enemy's radar malfunctions. And it can't defend itself. Iran's missile program and drones are not only a weapon, but also the biggest threat to America and Israel. According to reports, Iran has more than 80,000 drones and missiles. The funny thing is that to intercept Iran's $20,000 drone, the American base loses $100 million. This time, Iran has also made Israel and America Momo. The Iranian forces have made pictures of planes and helicopters on the ground. And America tried to destroy those paintings by blowing up millions of dollars. Later it was found that the Iranians had pranked them. And these potatoes did not understand the fever. After that, Trump and Netanyahu were cursed by the whole world. And they were humiliated separately. Iran's military social media keeps pointing fingers at Netanyahu and Trump so that memers are also happy. In addition to this, China and Russia are also openly supporting Iran. And Bablu Bai, who has all the toys, but no one plays with him. That boo-boo has also given a statement in favor of Iran. Even the Pakistani minister tried to give a statement in favor of Iran to get rid of Gonglu. But he has been cursed. In addition to this, if we talk about Iran's natural resources, then they play the most important role in making it strong. This is a country that is rich in God's blessings. And its natural resources are the backbone of Iran's economy. You will be surprised to know that Iran has the world's fourth largest oil reserves. Not only that, but Iran comes second in the world in natural gas reserves. These resources make it so strong that no country in the world has the ability to bring it down economically. Even there is no shortage of minerals in Iran. Iron, copper and zinc are so abundant in Iran's soil that they can supply the whole world for centuries. But beyond all this, Iran also has another power. And its name is the Strait of Hormuz. This is the world's most important seabed. It is called the king of the international economy. This is the reason that since Iran has closed it, the price of oil has reached the sky all over the world. And everyone is screaming. Because oil is supplied from here all over the world. So Iran has set up a missile system there. If anyone tries to threaten them, they will attack them directly and destroy the oil ships. Basically, Iran has explained to everyone that if it comes on its own, then not only the Arab countries, but also the Western and North American countries will be in trouble. Finally, Iran's story teaches us that if you have a strong will and courage and leadership, you can't make any power in the world your slave. Iran is still standing and will always stand. Because its foundation is on Husseiniyat, and such a land can never be destroyed.